Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Cottagecore inspired interior decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Cottagecore inspired interior design is a decorating style that celebrates the beauty of simple country living. It creates a warm, cozy, and nostalgic home by blending natural materials with the charm, handmade pieces, and soft colors. The goal is to make your home feel peaceful, welcoming, and connected to nature. Cottagecore is less about perfection and more about creating a home that feels lived in, comfortable, and full of character. Every room should invite you to slow down, relax, and enjoy everyday moments in a beautiful, natural setting. Here are more detailed insights into Cottagecore inspired interior design. It focuses on solo and comfortable living. Cottagecore is about creating a home that feels peaceful rather than modern or luxurious. Every room is designed to encourage relaxation, reading, baking, gardening, or spending quality time with family. A connected not purchased look. Instead of buying matching furniture sets, Cottagecore homes mix vintage finds, antique treasures, handmade crafts, and family heirlooms. This creates a home with personality and history. Layers create warmth. The style relies on layering different textures, combined linen curtains, cotton tablecloths, knitted blankets, crocheted cushions, oven baskets, and old jugs to make the space feel cozy and inviting. Nature is part of the decor. Use fresh flowers in ceramic pitchers, giant flowers bouquets, potted herbs on windowsills, and leafy indoor plants bring the outdoors inside. Natural branches, pine cones, and open Fuido baskets also enhance the look. Decorative yet practical kitchens. A Cottagecore kitchen is both beautiful and functional. Use open shelves, display vintage dishes, glass jars filled with pantry staples, wooden cutting boards, copper cookware, and handmade pottery that can be used every day. Soft imperfections add charm. A scratch-sized wooden table, aged brass hardware, other finishes, and handmade ceramics are celebrated rather than hidden. These details make the home feel authentic and lived in. Cozy reading corner, a comfortable armchair, a small wooden side table, a warm lamp, a knitted throw, and a bookshelf can transform an unused corner into a relaxing reading nook. Handmade details matter. Use crocheted blankets, embroidered pillowcases, handmade quartz, pottery, and open wall hangings. Give the home a unique personal touch that most product decor cannot match. A calming atmosphere. The true goal of Cottagecore design is to create a home that feels warm, welcoming, and timeless. Every decorative choice should contribute to a sense of comfort, simplicity, and connection with nature, making the home a peaceful retreat from everyday life. Embrace natural light. Large windows, sheer lace curtains, and lightweight linen chaps allow sunlight to fill the room. Natural light makes every space feel airy, fresh, and welcoming. Choose timeless furniture. Look for solid wood furniture with classic shapes instead of trendy designs. Pieces with curved details, turned legs, or distressed finishes fit perfectly into a Cottagecore home and can last for decades. Add character with vintage accessories. Decorate with vintage clocks, ceramic pictures, old books, framed botanical prints, brass candlesticks, oven baskets, and antique mirrors. These accessories tell a story and make the home feel unique. Use floral and botanical prints. Flowers are not limited to wallpaper. You can introduce them through cushions, bedding, curtains, table genres, artwork, and even windows china to create a soft, romantic atmosphere. Display everyday items beautifully instead of hiding everything in cabinets. Arrange frequently used items on open shelves, stack lettuce neatly, store flour in glass jars, and hang mugs or copper pans to combine beauty with practicality. Create cozy corners. Every room should have a spot where you can relax, a comfortable chair, a soft throw blanket, a small side table, and a reading lamp instantly create a peaceful retreat. Bring the garden indoors. Decorate with seasonal flowers, herbs, leafy plants, or giant buckets. Even a simple vase of fresh wildflowers can brighten the room and strengthen the connection with nature. Mix textures for comfort. Use layered cotton, linen, wool, wicker, wood, ceramic, and rattan throughout the home. This combination creates visual depth while keeping the space warm and inviting. Focus on meaningful decorations. Choose decor that has sentimental value, such as handmade crafts, family heirlooms, travel souvenirs, or vintage wines. Cottagecore values memories and personal stories over expensive decorations. Keep the home calm and uncluttered. Although Cottagecore uses many decorative pieces, the space should never feel overcrowded. Display only your favorite items, organize them thoughtfully, and leave enough open space for the home to feel peaceful. A successful cottage interior is not about making your home look like a museum. It is about creating a comfortable, lived-in space where natural beauty, handmade details, and timeless charm come together to make everyday life feel a little slower and more enjoyable. Layer different fabrics. Mix linen curtains, cotton sleep covers, velvet cushions, lace tablecloth, crocheted shawls, and quilted blankets. Layering fabrics makes a room feel soft, warm, and inviting. Decorate with fresh and dried flowers. Place fresh garden flowers in ceramic pitchers during spring and summer, in autumn and winter. Use dried flowers, eucalyptus, wheat stems, or pampas grass for a natural touch. Choose warm wood tones, oak, pine, walnut, and reclaimed wood add warmth and authenticity. Use wooden beams, shelves, coffee tables, and dining tables help create the classic cottage atmosphere. Use handmade pottery. Replace plain dishes with handcrafted ceramic, mugs, bowls, pitchers, and vases. Slight variations in shapes and glaze make each piece feel unique and full of character. Instead of relying only on ceiling lights, combine table lamps or sconces, candles, and lanterns. Warm lighting creates a peaceful and relaxing mood, especially in the evening. Create a welcoming fireplace area. If you have a fireplace, decorate the mantel with vintage frames, candles, greenery, and seasonal flowers. If you don't have one, you can create a similar cozy focal point with a decorative mantel shelf. Decorate with books. Old books add charm to Cottagecore interiors. Stack them on coffee tables, display them on wooden shelves, or use them to style with side tables and reading nooks. Incorporate open storage. Use wicker baskets, seagrass bins, and atom boxes to organize blankets, magazines, toys, or firewood. They keep the space steady while adding natural textures. Celebrate seasonal colors. Refresh your decor throughout the year. Spring, use soft pink, shades green, and cream. For summer, use light blue, white, and floral prints. For autumn, use rust, mustard, olive green, and brown. For winter, use forest green, burgundy, cream, and natural wood. Let the home feel personal. The most beautiful cottagecore homes reflect the people who live in them. Display handmade crafts, family photographs, vintage treasures, and items collected over time. These personal touches make the space feel warm, authentic, and full of life. The heart of cottagecore design is not perfection. It is creating a home that feels comfortable, timeless, and deeply connected to nature and everyday living. Design with layers instead of matching sets rather than buying an entire matching furniture collection. Combine different styles and finishes. A vintage wooden table, painted chairs, and an antique cabinet can work together beautifully when they share a warm, natural color palette. Make the kitchen feel like the heart of the home. Display ceramic bowls, wooden spoons, glass storage jars, oven baskets, and fresh herbs on open shelves. A cottagecore kitchen should feel welcoming, practical, and full of life. Use natural scents. Create a cozy atmosphere with lavender, rosemary, eucalyptus, vanilla, cinnamon, or beeswax candles. These natural fragrances make the home feel fresh and relaxing. Decorate walls with simple artwork. Choose botanical illustrations, landscape paintings, pressed flowers, vintage prints, or embroidered wall hangings. Soft, nature-inspired artwork enhances the peaceful character of the room. Mix old and new. You don't need an entirely vintage home. Pair modern comforts with antique pieces, such as a new sofa beside an old wooden coffee table, or modern lighting above a rustic farmhouse dining table. Add soft window treatments. Use linen curtains, lace panels, or light cotton drapes gently filter sunlight and create a bright, airy feeling with maintaining privacy. Create beautiful table setting. Grace your dining table with a linen genre, ceramic plates, vintage glasses, cloth napkins, and a vase of seasonal flowers. Even everyday meals can feel special with thoughtful styling. Use functional decorations to decor that also serves a purpose. Open baskets can hold blankets, wooden crates can store books, and ceramic jars can organize kitchen essentials while adding charm. Include gentle curves, round mirrors, curved armchairs, arched shelves, and oval dining tables. Soften the look of a room and create a more relaxed, welcoming atmosphere. Tell a story through your home. The most authentic cottagecore interiors feel collected over time. Combine handmade crafts, heirlooms, flower market finds, favorite books, travel souvenirs, and treasured keepsakes to create a home that reflects your personality instead of following trends. A cottagecore home should feel warm, peaceful, and inviting. It celebrates natural beauty, thoughtful details, and everyday comfort, making every room a place where you can slow down and enjoy simple moments. Build a layered color palette instead of using only one neutral color. Combine warm ivory, cream, sheath cream, dusty blue, muted rose, soft hue, and natural wood tones. These colors create depth while keeping the room calm and harmonious. Celebrate architectural details. If your home has exposed beams, brick walls, arched doorways, wood ceilings, or stone fireplaces, make them the focal point. If not, you can introduce cottage charm with bedboard walls, shiplap, or decorative wood moldings. Decorate with collected treasures. Display vintage teapots, ceramic pitchers, old clocks, oven baskets, antique books, and handcrafted pottery. A cottagecore home should feel like each item was collected over many years rather than purchased all at once. Use natural textures in every room. Blend wood, wicker, rattan, linen, cotton, wool, jute, and ceramics throughout the house. These materials make the home feel warm, organic, and inviting. Style shelves thoughtfully. Avoid overcrowding shelves. Mix books, small plants, candles, framed artwork, pottery, and baskets, leaving some empty space so each object stands out. The sense of cottagecore is creating a home that feels peaceful, comforting, and deeply personal. Instead of chasing perfection, focus on natural materials, meaningful decor, and cozy spaces that encourage you to slow down and enjoy simple daily moments. Thank you so much for watching this video.